Today I'm reciting City Streets and Country Roads by Eleanor Farjeon. The city has streets, but the country has roads. In the country, one meets blue carts with their loads of sweet-smelling hay and mangolds and grain. Oh, take me away to the country again. In the city, one sees big drums rattle by that blot out the sky, and all down the pavements stiff lampposts one sees. But the country has hedgerows. The country has trees as sweet as the sun. In the country is rain. Oh, take me away to the country again. Thank you all for listening my poem. If you like my reciting, give a like, share, and subscribe our channel. Goodbye. See you in the next video.